Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As always, if you're new here, my name's Annie. I'm a first year student at the University of Florida, and I'm glad you are here. Make sure to subscribe because we're doing some very exciting things today. In today's video, we're doing a little bit of a change because something about me that a lot of you don't know is that I love to cook, and I am in college, so we're looking for fast, easy, affordable meals that taste bomb, healthy at the same time, not too bad for you, home cooked, and are great. And I've been posting them a lot on my Instagram, and a lot of people have been really liking that. So I decided to start a series on my channel, which is basically cook with me in college, and just really bringing down to you guys really easy, fun, new recipes that taste awesome and are pretty inexpensive. Little disclaimer, I use a lot of stuff from Trader Joe's just because it's very affordable. So a lot of the stuff I will be mentioning is from Trader Joe's, but these recipes are so easy to change to your style or your ingredients that you have at home. But I just will be showing you guys what I'm doing, and I'm so excited for the start of this series. So today we will be making orange chicken bowls with pork gyozas. I'm very excited for this because it is so easy to make. A lot of the things you can find at Trader Joe's, but we're just gonna make it better. So without further ado, let's get started, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Make sure to stick around for the end, and let's go. Okie dokie guys, so for this recipe, we're basically gonna be using two pots. One like this that can be covered, has a cap type thing, and then just a regular saute pan for our gyozas and our chicken. So first thing you're gonna wanna start off with is making our rice. If you guys don't know how to make rice in a regular pot and not in a rice cooker, I'm about to teach you. Very easy. Start off with your oil of choice. I'm just using some extra virgin olive oil from Trader Joe's, and give her a generous drizzle. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 cup of jasmine rice. I get my jasmine rice from Trader Joe's, but any rice works well for this recipe, honestly. And then to that 1 cup of rice, you're gonna wanna add a little bit less than 2 cups of water. So as you can see, I have my cup a little bit less full than 1, but it's honestly up to you how wet you like your rice. This is just how I do it. Then for seasonings, I go ahead and use some Himalayan pink salt, but you can use any salt that you use or like or whatever. And I give a pretty generous amount of that. And then I put a little bit of garlic powder, or if you have garlic salt, that works as well. Just make sure not to go overboard with this because it can be quite powerful. I then stir this bad boy up. Make sure the oil and salt and seasonings are all nice and put together, and I close her. And you're going to go ahead and put that on high heat until your water starts to boil. And then after your water starts boiling, put it on like a low medium for about 15 minutes. Stirring occasionally until your rice is soft cooked to your liking, to your texture. Make sure to try to not to open the rice too much, because if not, it might not cook very well. But yes, the rice is the first thing you're gonna cook, so it's the easiest to just get out of the way, and we can start making the exciting fun stuff, which is our sauce, our chicken, and our gyozas. Okay, you guys, moving on from the rice, you could honestly do this with the noodles as well. Just wanted to put that out there, or any rice you would like. Just any base carb that you like, but vibes. Next up, the star of the show is the Trader Joe's Mandarin Orange Chicken. If you guys haven't already heard of this, you've been missing out. Go to Trader Joe's, get yourself a bag of this. Very affordable. I think a bag is like $4, and it has about like 4 to 5 servings in there. Yeah, 5 servings on the bag, but your girl likes to eat a good amount, so 4 to 5 servings, and it brings the sauce so delicious. So this is going to be the main part of our recipe today. I go ahead and cook these in my air fryer at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, but honestly, you can just follow the instructions on the back of this and do it in the oven. It's up to you. If you don't have an air fryer, it really doesn't matter. And I just make sure to every 5 minutes or so while they're in the air fryer to just shake it around, because I do have a pretty small air fryer. I'm trying to show y'all because I have my ring light up, but yes, I'm gonna go ahead and cook that. And while that is cooking, we're going to be making our sauce. So let's go. Okay guys, so here we are. I have the Power XL air fryer. Not sure if y'all are interested in that. This is about the size. You can wrap this in tinfoil if you want to make cleaning up even easier, but lately I've just been putting it straight in there and then washing it after. But I go ahead and take out the little sauce packet that comes in there and pour my chicken in here. And it does bring 2 packs of sauce, so yeah, so I fill it up to about here, and I'm doing this for 2 servings, so this is how much I'm filling it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start my air fryer. I'm just gonna turn her on, 400 degrees, 15 minutes, good to go. Okay guys, so then I use the pork gyozas from Trader Joe's. Big surprise, right? These are so good. Again, I think these are like $3–4 at Trader Joe's. So yummy. This is what the packaging looks like. So delicious. And I just go ahead and I first warm these up for 3 minutes in the microwave, and then I'm going to pan sear them with the same orange chicken sauce that we're going to make. So just give me a minute so I can go ahead and pop these in the microwave, and I'll be back to show you guys how I make the sauce. Okie dokie guys, so my pan is a little bit hot right now, and the first thing we're gonna start off with is the orange chicken sauce that it comes with. Not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan of this by itself because it can be a little bit strong and have a very peculiar taste, but my friends honestly love it, so it's honestly up to you. You try it and then decide. So I'm just gonna show you guys my twist on my own sauce for this spicy orange chicken teriyaki situation. But again, this is optional. If you want to just use this beautiful sauce packet, it is up to you, but I'm just going to show you guys what I do. So I go ahead and I start off with my thawed orange chicken sauce. You have to make sure to stick this in a little bit of hot water before you go ahead and start cooking, because it does come frozen. To my orange chicken sauce, I go ahead and add a good amount of soy sauce, and I again use the Trader Joe's soy sauce, and I just give this a good mix. For reference, my heat is off, but the pan was a little bit hot because I had it on for a while before. So I'm giving this a nice good simmer right now, and it smells so good. I am now going to add a little bit of this Trader Joe's sweet chili sauce. You can honestly add any sweet chili sauce that you like if you are opting in for trying out this recipe. But I personally love the Trader Joe's one. Very affordable, very delicious, very simple ingredients. That's one of my favorite things about Trader Joe's, that all of their ingredients lists are 2 or 3 things or less. There's never a lot of additives, and that's something I really enjoy because it's very affordable and it's not very unhealthy. As a college student, you have to have your brain working good, people, to be able to study hard. So right now, this is what our sauce looks like. That is the consistency. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of paprika. I like my bowls to be a little bit spicy, but it's honestly up to you guys. If you're not a big fan of the spice, just opt out for the paprika, and I give that a nice good stir. I'm not adding salt to this because if you do not know, soy sauce is very salty, you guys, so you don't want to have extra salt. It's not gonna taste very good. Next up, I'm pretty sure not a lot of you guys have heard of this ingredient, but it is a spicy Peruvian sauce that I'm just personally adding because it makes it taste so much better, and it is so delicious and such a subtle spice that tastes amazing. I think you can order these on Amazon if you do not have a store nearby for you, but delicious. And I think it's a great investment because I add it to almost all of my recipes. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm like continuously stirring my sauce. It's slowly starting to thicken and just smells delicious. My heat is still off just because my pan was so hot. Next up, I'm gonna add a little bit of this Earth Balance vegan butter. I love this stuff. I get it at Trader Joe's. And I just add a little bit of her, and I just allow that to melt right in. And you guys, this tastes so yummy. I really hope you guys end up trying out this sauce, just because it's so yummy, and it's one of my staple recipes when I'm feeling a good Asian style dish. Please let me know, you guys, if you have any recipes that you want me to try out, because I'm very excited for this series. I love to cook, so yeah. And the last sauce that I like to add in is Chick-Fil-A Polynesian sauce. It adds a really nice sweetness, and they literally sell this in Publix. And one time I added it in and it tasted delicious, so I highly recommend. As you guys can see, that sauce, the consistency is there, people. Oof, you are almost about ready to add in our gyozas and our chicken. So heat is still off. I'm gonna go ahead and add in our gyozas now. I also don't put these in the microwave for too long because I just kind of allow them to finish cooking on the stove with the chicken and with the sauce, and it just makes them taste so much yummier and give them that like exterior crunch that I personally love in my gyozas. Okay guys, so our chicken is ready out of the air fryer, and I'm now going to add this in to our sauce and gyozas. Ooh, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so yummy. And now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my heat to a medium heat. Don't want it to get too hot and burn. This is a sweet sauce, and sweet sauce tends to burn very easily, and we do not want that. So I very gently fold over everything and make sure there is an even covering of everything. You don't want to do too harsh and then end up breaking your gyozas or breaking up your chicken. So again, I'm very, very gentle with this process and very patient with it. And guys, I do apologize, but a lot of these measurements are eyeball. It's very easy to complete, very hard to mess up. And that is kind of what I want this whole series to be about, you know, just easy recipes that I can share with you guys for people that are in college, because I know that the majority of my viewers are in college. So yeah, I'm going to let this simmer a bit while I check on my rice. You guys have a good view of her here. So as you can see, that is ready, you guys. I am just gonna go ahead and turn off the heat there and mix her up. And as you guys can see, hopefully that rice came out beautifully. Ooh, nice and soft, nice and fluffy white rice. And if you want, you can take it off of the heat just to prevent the bottom from burning. Even though I know some people do love that nice crispy burnt rice, but I'm gonna let it kind of sit off the heat for a bit because that is ready to go, my people. You may or may not be able to tell, but our sauce is starting to bubble. Oof, it looks so good, you guys. I'm gonna make sure the gyozas have direct contact to my pan so that they can simmer. And I will see you guys when this is ready, and we will plate our delicious meal. Okie dokie guys, everything is ready to go, and we are now going to assemble our beautiful bowls. I just have a glass white bowl here, size reference, and I'm just going to first add in a little layer of our jasmine rice. I put about yay much jasmine rice, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in my orange chicken. It's so good, it looks so good, it smells so good. I'm so excited to eat this, you guys. I add about that much orange chicken, and I leave a little bit of space for the star of the show here, my beautiful gyozas. Oof. Then you guys, I like to just top this off with a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning and cilantro. Okay guys, these are the finished bowls. Oh my god, I'm so excited to eat this. I actually got these chopsticks from Amazon. If you guys want the specific link, please comment down below and I will share it with you guys. But this literally took me less than 30 minutes to take, and now we're gonna do a taste test. Okie dokie, you guys. So we're gonna do a live taste test right quick. I'm going to get some orange chicken, I'm gonna get some rice, and we're gonna try. So cheers. I'm gonna try the chicken first. It's like, if you guys try this, you have to try the sauce, you guys. It is so good. Perfect. Look at that. But that is it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the start of this new series. Please comment down below any questions you have or any recipes that you want me to make or try out that you've seen on my Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you next week with another video.